Okay, let me be clear now. The armed forces will be performing its mandate, and we will remain non-partisans, for we are a professional and disciplined organization. So, doon naman po lahat, tayo ay sumusuporta sa lahat ng mga demokratikong proseso kung anong po yung mga kailangan gawin. No? Katulad nito nga, isang proseso na ito ng impeachment. Tandaan po natin na hindi lang naman po yung Vice President. I think the different groups have filed, no, and exercised their democratic rights under the Constitution, which is allowed under our law. So I think let us observe that. And as regards to civil unrest, no, the armed forces will always be in support to our PNP counterparts for peace and order in any demonstrations and any freedom of expressions being done or activities done for that matter. I hope I answered your question.
So hindi na kailangan paliwanag sa sundalo na
No need.
oy, impeachment. Ganito.
Definitely not, because our soldiers are well informed.
So doon naman sa mandate, susuporta ang AFP doon sa just in case may civil unrest to the legally constituted authorities to quell such to address such unrest.
Basically, meron tayong mga law enforcement who are on the lead role, and they, if needed, will be providing the support to our security counterparts.